Alright guys, got my Blackout here with my Osprey. So I'm going to shoot 2 rounds of unsuppressed 115 grain Remington, followed by 5 rounds of 220 grain Subsonic Remington. Now the Subsonic. And I'm not getting really any point of aim differences. So, very good. Alright. Sounds are so quiet. I usually fire suppressed with these in here because of the echo, so I just want to hear what the echo sounds like. Damn. Let me go to the outdoor range. That's ridiculous. Just at the outdoor range, you can't shoot a full metal jacket, so it's kind of fucked. But they are building one, they're rebuilding one that burned down where you shoot a full metal jacket. That's indoors. Fuck. This is a new PMag I just opened up, and it's not really holding the bolt back, so that kind of sucks. But, just in case you forgot, I'm going to try one more Subsonic, and then I'll try one more non-Subsonic. For that. And it gets a little warm, but that's good. Really does help to have different color magazines for Subsonic and regular. That's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Sorry to get this video to y'all earlier. I thought I did. I already made it, but I hadn't. So here you go.